How to change language in Gemini AI. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change language in Gemini AI. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure that you have Gemini AI installed and you're logged into your account. So if you ask Gemini itself, it will give you the answer on how you can change its language settings. So first thing you'll need to access Gemini. Tap on your profile icon on the top right, go to account settings, find personal info, change language. You can select or add language, set your language and refresh Gemini AI. So let's do that. First thing, tap on your profile icon, and then after you will need to go to accounts setting. To go to account setting, you can head over to manage your Google account. After that, you can head over to your personal info, scroll down, and after you scroll down, you will see general preferences for the web. Tap on the languages section, and from here you will be able to change your language. Simply add another language, and after you add another language you will be able to add that as well, and then we can save that. So let's do that. You can save the language and then use it, and yeah, it's that simple. That is how you can change your language in Gemini AI. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.